In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed links in your netSchool calendar. First thing you want to do is, of course, scroll to your netSchool calendar. Click on the month. That will open up a page like so. You can then click on New Event. You can then choose if you want to assign this calendar link to a particular user, a group, the course, or the entire site. We're going to go ahead and do course. And once you open up, by the way, a particular group, like first block versus second block, you can assign that to that particular class. But again, we're going to go back to course. The event title will be homework. You would enter in the description. You decide what date the link will show up in. And then once you type in some text in the field, in the description field, you can highlight it, click link or add a link or insert link, and then we'll type in the web address here. In this case, it was preloaded. Click insert, and so now your text has become a link. We could go down and decide the duration of the link. It's going to open up for just one day, April 15th, or we can keep it open for, let's say, a complete week. Click on Save Changes. I then clicked on the breadcrumb Government Cooper to go back to the main page. And if we go down to our calendar, we'll see that it has been highlighted, denoting that something has been attached. If you click on this link, homework, it'll take us to this link. So click on this link, the one that we just embedded to a website. And that'll take us to the website, malcolmgladwell.com. Now, there are several other things that you can do besides just adding a link within the calendar date. For example, I've scrolled down to Unit 3, which is the Declaration of Independence in my government class. I'm going to take the URL here, copy it, and I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did with the Malcolm Gladwell website. I'll simply click on the calendar, April 2014. Click on, and notice the last link that we embedded, it tells you that it's open from the 15th to the 22nd, so students are aware of this. Click on New Event. We're going to open it up to the course. The event title will be Begin Unit 3. In the description field, we'll type in Unit 3. We're going to add a link, and we're going to paste the link that we just copied, which will lead the students directly to that section of your netSchool page. And let's say that we're going to be in Unit 3 for the next 6 weeks, and so we'll go from April to May of May the 12th, May the 19th. And it's going to shut down right before midnight. The link will shut down, not necessarily the unit. We'll save changes. Click on the breadcrumb up here at the top. Go back to the main page of your netSchool page, or your netSchool course. And so we go down to, we'll put our cursor over April 15th, and we'll see that there are 2 links available. We can click on Begin Unit 3. There's the link again. Click on that. And that'll take us straight down to Unit 3, which just opened up. If you want to add a link to a PDF file or any sort of file that would pop up, and you've already saved it to your netSchool account, simply click on, let's see, the Bill of Rights Institute rubric. This is a PDF I've previously uploaded. And once again, it gives you a URL. So right click, copy, This is a rubric that I used for some essays concerning the Bill of Rights. And so if I wanted students to be able to find it quickly, I would once again attach it to a calendar by clicking April 2014, new event. It's going to be open for the course. The event title is Bill of Rights Institute rubric. I'm going to have that open on the 20th, let's say. And I want to have it open without duration, so it's not ever going to close. I want students to be able to access the rubric in perpetuity. If you wanted to, you could click on repeat this event and have it repeat every week, every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, every 6 weeks, which is useful for reoccurring assignments that, let's say, happen every single Monday. All you'd have to do is post this, tell netSchool, repeat this event once a week, and that same exact file would be available once a week. Now, if you're wanting the same assignment to pop up every Monday, but you're going to change the files, you're obviously not going to click on repeat this event. You'd have to go in and create a new event for each different file that you want the students to access. So let's go ahead and, okay, so in this case, I'm attaching a rubric. So let's say that I want the kids to write an essay every Monday, and they're going to use the same exact rubric every Monday. Then you could come in and attach the same file, upload it, tell this to repeat every Monday for the next, let's say, 6 weeks. Save changes. And then I'm sorry, I put it on Sunday, but you get the point. So the 20th, 27th, 4th, 11th, 18th, and 25th, students now have a link or access directly to that particular rubric or that particular assignment. So the student would log into my netSchool account, the calendar would pop up, and once again they would see this highlighted. They would simply click on the link. That would then take them to this page. They would click on the rubric link, and the PDF file would pop up. So there you go, several different ways to, or rather several different ideas to attach files to your calendar. And finally, most of you should know this if you've played around with netSchool enough, but anytime you add an assignment or a quiz to your class and give it an opening date and an end date, it also pops up on this calendar. So in this case, we've got the Chapter 2, Section 3 and 4 reading quiz.